You have
ko lang kung ano yung mga flavor. Can you just guys,
we have the phone so I know we can play.
no.
Don't play.
Wait a minute. I want almond.
Almond.
And the cheesecake.
Cheesecake. Almond.
Ayan,
Okay.
almond and cheesecake.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yay. How is it, Ayola? The tea with the VSOP.
How's the ice cream natin?
This is Four Seasons tea with VSOP.
Okay, how about you? What can you say about it?
It's like not really sweet, but I like it.
Okay.
It's not sweet at all.
How about you, Ayori?
Ayaw
Ayori,
niya ng ice cream.
try to
Yummy
taste
with
the ice cream.
There's peanut butter there. Actually, I don't like it.
Just say na.
Grabe, ang mahal ang ice cream na yan, in fairness. No?
I'll have the cold.
Musta?
Parang di worth it. Mahal niya para dito.
No.
Pero wala, parang part siya sa mga tour, no?
Hi.
Hindi, pero may aquarter siya. Pag medyo matagal-tagal na.
Ayola, wait lang mahal.
I like it.
Pwede na rin.
Ayola?
I like
Nagustuhan mo
it.
ba siya? You just like the waffle cone.